Hi there, my name is Meghan M, and I am a former student of court reporting and captioning at home, and here's a little bit about my journey. So I found Craw by just on the internet, researching. I was a senior in high school, and I hadn't even heard of court reporting until my government teacher mentioned it in class, and it sounded just like what I wanted to do. So my mom and I researched it online, and after we saw the testimonials of the other students who had gone through and got a job in court reporting, we knew that this was for me. I chose Craw because I needed an online program as there were no CR schools near me, and I didn't want to move. So I was able to do court reporting and captioning at home at my house, and I could wear my pajamas all day, and I could take it wherever if I needed to. If I went on a trip, I could take it with me and I wouldn't miss a beat. I also did it because it seemed like a very straightforward program, and I didn't have to go through any other classes that didn't pertain to court reporting. I'm a person that I just want to get done what I need to get done, and just kind of go on a straight line. And it was just what I needed. It was also self-paced, so I could, if I needed to take a little bit longer, if I wasn't progressing as fast as I otherwise would like, or if I'm progressing faster than I thought I would, that's totally fine. So my experience with CRAH, it was great for me. I mean, every single step of the process was set out for me and explained thoroughly. The theory lessons were very straightforward and easy to follow. And once I got to speed building, they created a speed regimen for me based on the amount of hours that I was able to practice a day. So they really tailor it to what you need and how much time you have. And that was really important for me. And my most favorite thing about CRAW was the support, their support staff. They answer any and all questions, no matter how big or small, and they don't just answer it with a yes or a no. They answer it with a lengthy response that is very encouraging, and it makes you feel like they understand you and that they want you to succeed. And I really appreciated that, especially with being alone and just doing it on my own rather than with other classmates. You need that encouragement, and they did such a good job making me feel like I could do this, and even though it's a hard road, they made me feel like I could succeed, and I did. Another thing I loved about support is even when I would just be having a hard day, like I didn't pass a test or I was struggling with getting to the next speed level, they would encourage me. They aren't just there to answer questions. They're there just to be by your side and make sure that you get to where they want you to be and to where you want to be. And I will never forget that. Another thing I loved about CRAW was the pricing. It was exactly where I needed it to be, and it was a one-time fee. So they gave me my steno machine and the program just for one flat fee, and I didn't have to pay by semester or anything like that, or however fast I progressed. It was just one fee, and I had support for life. CRAW was one of the best investments I ever made. I came out of school debt-free, and not a lot of people can say that. I have passed the RPR. I was so excited when I got the letter in the mail saying that I was a registered professional reporter. And I actually got a 99% accuracy on the test, and it was such a great feeling just knowing that CRAW got me there. I succeeded, and it's all because of the program that I was in and my hard work that I put into that. And I'm very proud of myself and everything that I've been able to accomplish through this program. I felt very prepared for the RPR. CRAW gave me many testing materials, 5-minute takes, so I felt very, very prepared. I was very prepared for the written test as well, with all the terminologies that they gave me and the other study materials. When I finished the program, CRAW helped me find an internship with local reporting firms, and they really encouraged me along the way. They helped me know what to expect and answered any questions I had. I was offered a job immediately with that firm that I shadowed with. I was over the moon. CRAW really made the process of finding a job and finding an internship so easy and painless. They did a lot of the searching and the working for me in that way, finding different firms, and they helped me to kind of vet the firms and figure out which one would be best for me, and to ask the good questions of the firms to figure out if they were a good firm or not. I wanted to be a freelance reporter, so that's where I was looking, and they helped me every step of the way. I never ever felt alone. The CRAH support staff was always there for me, and they made it very easy. Some advice I would have for a new court reporting student would be to trust the program and the way that it's set up. I noticed I always improved faster when I followed the way they designed the program. The CRAH staff is very knowledgeable on all things steno, so they will take care of you and help you in any way. And I just encourage you to follow the program as they have designed it, because they know more than me, who was just learning. So just trust them.